is going to be a quick video on how to grind a threading tool. You're going to start off with a piece of high-speed steel, and we're going to give you a 3/8 wide tool. So your piece of high-speed steel will look something like this. I would suggest that you throw some bluing on the piece of high-speed steel, and then after that you're going to take a center gauge, which I have one right here in my hand. It's kind of small. That's what it looks like. And you would hold the center gauge against the part, and with a scribe you could scribe your lines, and that's going to mark the material that you're going to remove from the part. So roughly speaking, it'll look something like this. Now I am favoring the left side of the tool, and that's because on our part we're going to be threading up to a shoulder that's on the left side. So if I center my threading tool, if I center my tip in the center of the threading tool, well, that means when I approach a shoulder that's on the left side, then I'm going to have a better chance of running into the shoulder. Now, we need the tip to be big enough to accommodate whatever thread we're cutting, but I'm going to tell you that with a 3/8 inch wide tool blank, you do not need it to be in the center. So I'm going to go ahead, get a piece of high-speed steel prepped up, and then we'll be out at the grinder, and I'll give you a quick demonstration on how to do it.